This is Brightown's new LED travel makeup mirror. And I just wanted to show you some of the highlights that makes this pretty cool mirror. I wanted you to see how this mechanism folds down. It's still a big mirror, but it gives you that 9 inches in a travel size, and it really holds well. And it is Type-C charging. If you look underneath here, that's your Type-C to charge it. It's 10x and normal. And it does have a battery meter right here. That's at 38%. It has 3 colors. 1, 2, 3. And off. And then if you hold, it gives you a digital dim out reading right there. And it is bright enough. I have to admit, this one is bright enough to see what's going on with your face. The 10x is really, really sharp. A little tray here on the bottom if you need to set some things. But it's got good weight, because I've seen these where they just fall over. Boom. This one does not. This one has good balance, and you can completely adjust to get low. But check out the Brightown travel makeup mirror in white. Maybe some other colors are available, but it's a pretty nice mirror.